What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create surveys into your WordPress website just like this one, okay? So you can collect your users' information, you can understand more your audience, your customers, and you can customize the surveys for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose international sites favor. So let's learn how to create amazing surveys on your WordPress website for free. So first thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review, the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, there is a field called search plugins. Click on it and just type Survey Maker Best WordPress Survey Plugin. This one right here by Survey Maker team, okay? This guy right here, as you can see, it's well hated, have a lot of sites using and has been recently updated. This is very important for security, okay? So click on install now. Click into the activate button and click into the activate button once again. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But if you review the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard once again, next to posts, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Survey Maker. Click on it. This is gonna take us to the surveys page. Right here you can create all the surveys that you need. By default, the plugin already creates one for you. Let's apply this survey into one of our pages, and after this we can customize the survey, okay? It's the best and fast way to create your questions. First thing, there is a shortcode. We're gonna copy the shortcode, move to page on the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard, and click on add new. There is many ways to apply the survey on a page, okay? I'm gonna explain for you how to do this using Gutenberg. So type a title for your page. And just place the code on your page. You can click into the plus button, search for the short code widget, and place the code right here, or simply place the code, okay? Copy and paste, okay? Simple and easy. Now we're gonna publish the page so we can see the result we got. And here is our survey. Nice and working very fast. Customers satisfaction survey template. Would you recommend company? Yes. As you can see, there is a couple of questions that you can do, okay? And in a couple of ways, there is number, multi selections. You can choose options, and you can even type your email. You can write more things right here and finish the survey. So we can return the survey. In the case that you are using Elementor, WP Bakery, the process is exactly the same. All you have to do is place the shortcode into a text block or a text widget, okay? Simple, easy, and fast. Now let's come back to the survey so we can customize it, okay? And exploring the plugin settings. First thing, let's go to the survey, okay? We can click into the survey. Of course, we can change the title of the survey according to your needs, but I really recommend that you start from this. You can change the option, you can change the question, you can collapse the question or not, up to you. You can make the question required or not. You can delete section or duplicate section. You can open the editor in order to customize the question. There is survey templates that you can explore, okay? You can choose some templates. This can really make your process faster, okay? Because it already gives the pre-built questions that you only have to change the questions itself. You can add options to your questions. You can add images to the question in the case that you want, okay? To make it easier to understand or not, up to you. If you are a pro member, you can book add options, okay? Options to clone, you can make required or not. You can change the style, radio, checkbox, drop down, paragraph, short text, number, yes or no, email, name, and other many more pro features. We're gonna explore the pro options soon, okay? And you can keep editing. Of course, you can add more questions or more sections, okay? Add question. In the case that you do not want, you can remove it. Just like this. You can add a section or remove it in the case that you do not want it. Just like this. And after doing your change, you're gonna save and close or just save. All done. Now, let's explore other options, okay? We can go to styles. We have the classic dark. If you are a pro member, you have the minimal and other elegant options. And even into the free version, we can customize the colors, the background color, text color, survey widget, survey mobile widget, this is very important, survey max widget for mobile, survey logo, you can apply a logo type for your survey, survey curve photo, okay, let me show you one example, just like this, okay, this is a survey curve image. Survey title alignment, center, left, right, survey font size on mobile and on PC. It's very important to have this option. I love this about this plugin. Survey title ladder spacing, survey title box shadow, survey section title font size for mobile and for PC once again, survey section alignment. So as you can see, you can fully customize the options. There is a lot of things to do right here, and can create the style that you want and even enter custom CSS in the case that you want to code a bit, but no needs for it, okay? Start page. So here is the options you have, okay? There is a video tutorial, and if you are a pro member, so you can upgrade anytime, you have options to play with this section. There is settings, okay? You can categorize our surveys, okay? It's very important to keep things organized. You can enable confirmation box, required question message. You can customize parts of this. Question settings, enable randomized question. We have advanced features. We can even change the survey loading effect. Nice, right? And if you are a pro member, you can enable text speech, enable copy protection, you can enable collapse questions, display all sections at one page, okay, it's a pro thing. Enable shot mode. There is many nice things in the case that you upgrade. So as you can see, there is a lot of things that you can do with the upgraded version. Result settings, okay. So thank you message, you can type a message to thank anyone that complete your survey, even in the case that you want to offer a coupon code to make people happy, in the case that you have in the store, for example. Redirect after submission. Imagine that you would like to redirect after the survey submission to a new page, to a shop page or anything like this. It's possible, simple and easy. Survey, select survey loader. Once again, you can customize, even enter to a text or a GIF. And restart button. If you are a pro, you can show the results after submission, which is very useful, okay? Enable exit option, show social buttons. So we can show some social media things right here, okay? So social buttons, you can enter LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter or X, and VK, and dashboard results settings. After doing your change, always remember to save, okay? Conditional result. This is a very important thing, okay? You can have conditionals, you can apply logic to your survey, you can make things better, but of course you're gonna need to upgrade to the Pro. I'm gonna tell you about the Pro, more about it, okay? We have limitation users, okay? Max number of attempts per user, only for logged in users, max count of takers, okay? You can apply this. And if you are a Pro member, you have access to select the user rules, okay? So imagine that only customers of your site can reply the survey, is possible. We have email settings, okay? But once again, you're gonna need to upgrade for this option. It's very, very useful to use email and communication to connect with your customers, okay? And we have integrations. I love that part. This, Alan, it's the most reason that I would like to upgrade, and I will upgrade mine, okay? So we have integrations with MailChimp, Campaign Monitor, Zapier, ActiveCampaign, Slack, Google Settings, okay? So very good. MadMimi, GetResponse, I love this one. ConvertKit, PayPal, so we can even connect and make a payment way, okay? Stripe, once again, a good payment service, okay? reCAPTCHA for security, Elber, MailPult, and Clivio, okay? So we have lots of integrations possible in the case that you are a Pro member. What else we can do? We can see the survey categories into the submenu. First thing, we have uncategorized, but of course you can click right here to customize the category. I highly recommend that you enter categories for your surveys and apply description to make things organized. We have front-end requests, okay, in the case that you are a Pro member. Pop-up surveys. You can create pop-up surveys. There is a video tutorial explaining how to do this, okay? But you can click on Add New and get things started, okay? As you can see, it's really simple. We have customization options and really, really useful. We have the submissions page. Where we can see all of the submissions received. And here is how it looks like. This is the question that I have replied, okay, the submission we made on the video. So if you click on it, you can see all of the results, okay? Yes, we have graphics to explore, okay? And you can understand the data, which is very important for business success, okay? And you can filter in the case that you are a Pro member. We have the option to export and import in the case that you are changing your site, in the case that you want to get more information. We have general settings. That is the place where we can customize the full settings of the plugin. There is a lot of options. Do not store IP address, is very important for GDPR, okay? Anonymously surveys, up to you. Accept words counting list tables. Menu notifications, which is nice, okay? Who will have permission to survey menu? Administrator. Block users by IP address, in the case that you are a Pro member. Send automatic emails reporting admins, once again, very useful. We have integrations, we already talked about it. Message, which is very, very important, okay? Button texts, this is good in the case that you want to translate your plugin, your site, okay? It's fully possible. And the short codes examples, all listed right here. Very, very good and simple to understand. And after this, we have the how to use, okay? They have plugins, tutorials, they have documentation, and they have FAQ right here, okay? Which is very useful. And finally, they have the products. They make nice plugins and nice products. There is a quiz maker, a pool maker, a pop-up box, gallery photo, secure copy content, Facebook pop-up, and Shuttify. This is amazing. I love this guy right here, okay? We have a video about it, and I'm gonna embed this into this video so you can learn about it. It's free and works great. And to make the end, you can know more about the plugin into the WordPress.org, but I recommend that you go right here and purchase your Pro version. Why? They are well rated, there is a lot of downloads, they have money back guarantee, they have tutorials, documentations, and a lot of features. But the best part is yet to come. It's the pricing, of course. Why? Because, can you see? They have lifetime usage for a cheap price. And of course, there is coupon codes, okay? And can you see the amount of amazing features? Let me show you the Pro surveys, okay? There is a Pro demonstrative website. Can you see how advanced this is? We have the progress bar. Here is another example for image. Can you see? We have other nice example. Here is the logic, the product evaluation survey, and more demonstratives, okay? Very good. Well, and that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to download the plugin. As you can see, it's free. You can create amazing features. If you like, you can upgrade to the Pro, and let me know into the comments what you think. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.